Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm really just kind of getting into just different videos to kind of show and recreate or create videos, and hopefully, you know, you guys love them and enjoy them. So today's video is going to be unboxing high kind of end products. I did get a gift from my lovely boyfriend. So we're gonna unbox that, and then I got a couple of things from Sephora, so stay tuned if you want to see them. I'm going to kind of test them, see how they smell, all that. So my first unboxing will be, if I can find some scissors. Okay, it will be the Sephora box. So I just ordered a couple of things. I've never ordered them before, so I'm really actually excited. I was out of town this weekend, so I didn't get to get it right away, but I got it. Sephora does really quick shipping. I think I ordered this like 2 or 3 days ago. A little self-care. Ooh, and they gave me my birthday insiders. Let's see. I think there was one item in here that I couldn't get, so they refunded me, but okay, so about 3 items. So I did use my birthday. So yeah, okay. So first things first, I just got this hand sanitizer that my favorite YouTuber Aaliyah uses. I don't even know, that girl can just, she'll make me buy anything. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see that. Right here so you can see it a little better right here. So it's by Touchland. I got the Rainwater scented hand sanitizer power mist. Let's open it up. I hate to, it's such pretty packaging. Cruelty free, 500 sprays, vegan, plain friendly, hydrating. Okay, nice. This is what it looks like. She always has it in her car, and I think it's so cute. So I guess we'll just spray it here. That does smell good. And that's cute. I'll probably put it in my purse. I like how see-through and clear it is. It's honestly just really easy to spray. Blah, blah, blah. That's cute. Definitely worth it. I don't even know how much that was. Here they go trying to sell me a credit card. Okay. Next item is the Fenty Instant Recovery Overnight Cream. I got this just because I have some hyperpigmentation on my face. And then why not support our girl, Rihanna? We might as well, always. So use every night to help skin bounce back to life by morning. Revive skin overnight for a refresh glow by day. Hydrates and reduces the look of pores while minimizing the look of dark spots over time. So this I'll probably use tonight, and can definitely give you guys such cute packaging. Go Fenty Beauty. This is my first Fenty skin product, so I'm actually really excited. Sorry, my dogs. But yes, Fenty Skin Instant Recovery. I got it from Sephora. It's just the small one just because my skin is kind of sensitive, so you know, I can't just like full on go into a new product, doesn't matter what it is. So yeah, so just keeping it Fenty. Oh, they didn't send me my body butter. That was what I really wanted. Yeah, they didn't send that to me. But next product is Fenty. It is called the Plush Puddin. So it is a intensive recovery lip mask. So I think it lives with hydration for a petal soft pout. This is cute. I didn't show you guys the inside of this. So, ooh, that looks very moisturizing. This is the instant recovery mask. It looks very moisturizing. I'm not gonna put it on now just because it does look super hydrating though. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my skin here. It feels so good. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. We're using this tonight for sure. That feels so nice. I love that. Go ahead, Riri. Go off. Girls are loving it. They are loving it. So this is the Plush Pudding Lip Mask. I got this just because my lips have been very, very dry this winter. So I'm trying to find something that will bring them back to life. And also just fix up my new routine, I guess, just because I need a routine. I need a skincare routine. I fell off the bandwagon, so definitely trying to get back on it. And yeah, so this is the lip mask. This is how it looks. You guys can see it. She has such good packaging. Like, let me see if we just push on it, or no, you will. I'm excited to use these. These look very. These products are about to ruin my life because I buy them all the time. So we'll keep those for later just because right now it is early and I really just want to wear that I have on right now. So those all look really moisturizing. I'm super excited to use those. Thank you, Riri. For my birthday, the black opine? I'm gonna mess that up. ISL perfume. I'm excited to try this one. Dark Dior girl, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it pushing here because I need to find new ones anyway. Whew. So this is their little try. It's already kind of, it looks like it's already kind of used. I'm kind of sad, but that's all right. It's a tester. Ooh, this is. As you see, I'm already putting it on. Like, date night with my man. Sexy vibes. That smells amazing. Damn. I wish I got a little more than just that, but that's fine. It was for free. So that was the YSL. It's very like, smells like dark and sexy. So I really love that. Is the other free little tester that I got from Sephora. Is a lip, how to say the company name, but Laneige. Let's try this one out. Berries and fruits, hydrate, nourish, and soften. It's a sleep mask, but does anybody else besides me like actually put them on during the day? Because I will. I think I get more of the experience if I put it on during the day. Thank you, Sephora. I appreciate it. Next up, we're going to unbox my gift. That's my now. I definitely don't know how to say this. See, so I'm not even gonna mess that one up. Octane free box. I already opened it because, of course, my man wanted to watch me open it. So, Octane. It sounds French. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And it looks. Once you open it, you take the ribbon off. Once you take the ribbon off, it's definitely more like in French. It's all about the province that we love, a land full of mystery where beauty is endlessly reinvented. So that's cute. Really cute little setup that they have. My baby's so good to me. But yeah. I love this. So first item in the box is a shower oil. In it. So this I'm excited to use. I was definitely watching one of my favorite YouTubers and they have like a shower oil and I think that'll be like more moisturizing. I'm not sure. I know when I was using European Wax, their products, they're really good. I love their body butter. I love the, look at Sephora texting me. They heard me. I love their body butter. If you use oil with it, which is in my case, I love to do that. So if you use oil with it, it really like softens up the body butter and makes it like all over your body. It just melts. But I'm hoping that this shower oil will help give me some moisture back into my skin. Arizona has the absolute worst water that, well, in my opinion, the worst water system out here. So I'm always like looking for something to moisturize my skin because it's so dry. So the next product is a shower scrub exfoliant. So this looks cool. You guys can see that. I like this brand. It's giving luxury, honestly. I need to look more into it, but this is gonna be real nice. I really need a good exfoliant. And it's like, you know, as you get older, I feel like you just wanna have and spend and invest more into your beauty and your skincare, just because, yeah, like you can have results like from Clean and Clear, and you can get results from like all these other companies that are like, you know, always in CVS and Walgreens and things like that. But I see more results when I do invest into my products and when I do actually take the time to use them properly. You know, even if it is just, it says dime size, use a dime size. Like, you want it to last anyway. So anyway, enough about that. But this is our last product in this box, and then I got some samples too. But last product in this box is the hand and nail care. So I really need this. I do lashes, lash extensions, so I think this cream will really help with my hands because they end up being so dry. I actually want to try this one right now. Yeah, a little top of it. Oh Lord. This is what happens when you have long nails. You can't do just the little things like this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So, got my skincare, my nail care. Cute packaging. Ooh, it smells good. It's not like overwhelming. There's not like a huge scent to it. It's very light. It's almost like baby lotion kind of smell. But yeah, I'm gonna get these nails and hands back up to nice and fluffy and soft. But yeah, guys, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will do a little bit more content on my TikTok too, so if you want to follow me on there. Yeah, I'm super excited to try these products. Shout out to La Octane. Let me see how I can say that. Oh, I meant to look it up before I was doing this video, but I forgot. How do you say it? It's a UK brand. Okay. Shout out to the UK. Period.
L'Occitane.
L'Occitane. L'Occitane. Okay. L'Occitane in Providence. Okay. Period. And it is French. Okay. I love that. So shout out to Sephora, shout out to L'Occitane. I'm very excited to use my products. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was just a quick little unboxing, maybe some products that you wanted to try but you know haven't bought yet, and maybe you can just wanted to see them. If you guys want any kind of update on those, then please let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.